Hello friends, in this video we'll be solving some uh, algebraic sums, and let's see how easily it can be done. Let's see here. So we'll be doing this few sums. So 10 sums are there, and let's see. So first thing first, so here on left side we'll be keeping all the variables. So here it is, you can see, uh, so y is there, so y plus 2y, so y, and here it is plus 2y, so here this side it will be minus 2y, and already 18 is there, so here 18 minus 19 will be there. So now you can say y minus 2y, 1y minus 2y, it will be minus y, and now this side 18 minus 19 is minus 1. Now this minus minus cancelled, hence y equal to 1. This is my answer. Let's see another sum. So question number 2. So 222 minus z plus 22 equal to 6 plus 13 z plus 14. So on left side, I will be bringing all variables. So here, first variable is minus z, and this side it is plus 13z. So here, this side it will be minus 13z. And here the first term is 14 plus 6 is 20. This is constant. And this side it is, so 22 minus 222. And this is also minus 22. So now here this will be minus 14z. Here 20 minus 220, so minus 242. Now 244. So 20 minus 244 is minus, so here it will be minus 244 minus 20 is 224. So you can say that it is 224. So minus minus cancelled, and z will be equal to 224 divided by 14. So 14 ones are 14. And here, so 22 minus 14 is 8, so 8 for 84, so 14 6 84. 14, so 14 6 84, so 16 is my answer. Let's do the third one. So third one is 171 plus z plus 14 plus 12z plus 14. So let's see here, I'm bringing all z same side. So z minus 12z, and that will be equal to 14 plus 14 is 28. 28 minus 171. So now this will be, so z minus 12z, it will be minus 11z. So here 171 minus 28. So 171 minus 28 is 141, so 143. Yes, 143, but minus 143 will be there. Let's see here, this is gone. So z will be equal to 143 by 11. And that means 11 ones are 11. And here 3 times it is 33. So 13 will be the answer. Let's see another one. So 395 minus x equal to 19x plus 15. So here minus x, left side, I will be talking about only variables. So minus x minus 19x. And that will be equal to 15 minus 395. So now you can say here it is minus 20. So 20x. And here 15 minus 395 is minus 380. Minus 380. So this is gone. So hence x will be equal to 380 divided by 20. So here I can say that this answer is 90. Let's see another sum. Here 6 plus 17y and equal to 38 plus y. So here 17y minus y equal to 38 minus 6. And that is how much? So 17 minus 1 is 16. 16 equal to 32. So 16y equal to 32. Y will be equal to 32 by 16. And that is 2. So this is my answer. Let's see question number 7. So this side it is x. So here x minus 7x, and that will be equal to 5 plus 3, 8. 8, and this side it will be 40 minus 40 plus. So here minus 44. So now it is minus 6x, and here 44 minus 8. So 44 minus 8 is 36. So here minus 36 will be there. Minus minus cancelled. So hence x will be equal to 36 by 6. And that is 6 is the answer. Let's see another sum. Here, this side on left side, y equal to, so this is y minus 16y, and that will be equal to 19 minus 244. So here it is minus 15y, and that is, so 244 minus 19. So 244 minus 20 is 224. So it is 225. Minus 225. So now y will be equal to minus minus cancelled. So here it is 225 divided by 15. So here I can say 15 ones are 15 and 7. So 7 5 75. So 15 5s are 75. So 15 is my answer. Let's see here another sum. So 4x minus x, and that will be equal to 36 minus 6. So that is 3x equal to 30. Hence x will be equal to 30 by 3, and that is 6. So here 10. So 10 is my answer. Last two sums are there. So here 65 plus x plus 3. So here this is x minus 3x, and that is equal to 14 plus 14 is 28, minus 65 plus 3 is 68. So here, so this is so minus 2x, and that is equal to 28 minus 68. It will be minus 40. So this is cancelled. So now x will be equal to 40 by 2, and that is 20. So 20 is my answer. Let's do the last sum, that is 18 plus 3y. So 3y minus y, and that is equal to 19 minus 8. So here 9, and that is 2y equal to 10. Hence y equal to 10 by 2, and that is 5. So we can see that how easily we can solve. So in next video, we'll be talking about some other thing. Thank you.